It's Friday the 9th of February, and I'm back in Erlangen at the Electronics Factory Erlangen with Siemens. I was here in July. They've completely redesigned the place since, obviously using digital twins and all the cool technology. But I'm here to see what's the latest and greatest when we talk about, the digital enterprise in terms of the IT, OT, in terms of where digital twins fit in. Where are we headed with the industrial metaverse? How does sustainability fit into this whole story? The sustainable digital enterprise. And I'll be speaking with the people that actually have done the work to make this place a reality. If you were listening to the Siemens AGM yesterday, the CEO was talking about the investments they're making here. This is ground zero for what they're doing with their partners and others around Accelerator in terms of bringing the industrial metaverse to reality. So I get to speak to the folks that make it happen today, and I also need to make sure that I don't get run over by any of the AGVs that are flying around here. So hey, it's going to be a fun day.